What up, Dub fans? How y'all doing today? I had to throw another video back to back. I couldn't let this time lapse between this video because I just feel like now is the best time to do what I need to do with this video. So before I get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like it up, people. I'm seeing the subscriptions going up. It's slow. I know I'm getting all hype for 20 subscribers or however it is right now. But I see it. I definitely see it. But like it up, subscribe, comment, share it with your friends, share it to your mammy, your pappy, your grandpappy, your grandmammy, your cousins, your aunties. Share it to everybody. We trying to get this video up to 50, or not this video, but this page up to at least 50 subscribers right now. Boom. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so today we are going to be installing the NRG steering wheel. Now, I feel like this wheel is going to look nice, although it's a different color, different purple. I wouldn't say different color, different purple. What the trim is. So this trim is this purple. The NRG is this purple. But what I feel it's gonna do is it's gonna kind of like bring it together. Although it's two different purples now, it's gonna bring it together. So what I want to do today is remove this old steering wheel and install the NRG, and I want to see how it looks. So let's do this. So first things first, make sure you got the tools needed for this whole project. So basically what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a 10 socket or 10 wrench, doesn't matter which one. I prefer socket, but 10 socket, 10 wrench. You're gonna need a Torx. I think this is a T30. Yeah, T30 Torx. An M12 M12 socket, and elbow grease. But of course, this isn't for anybody. This isn't for everyone's car. This is for the Audi. So if anyone has an Audi, I believe is the years 2000 to 2005. No, the B6, B7 series. This should be, and I believe is the same. What is the reverse word for uninstallation? Taking off the wheel, at least. But taking off the wheel and installing the wheel. If you're going to install the wheel back, you just got to do reverse of what I'm going to do in this video. But if you're going to install another wheel, hopefully it's an NRG, because I don't know what other quick release or other hubs, what they may do for the car. But this is basically a how to take off your wheel. Mostly it's a how to. So first things first, like I said, you're gonna need all your tools, and once you have all your tools, then you're ready to go into this. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so first things first, make sure your wheel's straight. It's not for now, but it'll be good for further in the video. Ooh. That's how you can tell this car has been sitting for a little while. Ooh. Okay, so step one, what you're gonna want to do is, let me get a good grip. You're gonna want to remove your negative terminal on your battery. This is for your airbag, because if you try to remove your airbag, you don't want it to bust in your face. I definitely don't want that, so remove that. Oh, make sure it doesn't touch. There we go. All right, so once you have that removed, you can put, well, I just put it back. You don't have to just put it back, but I did. And then you're gonna move inside the car. So once you have your battery terminal removed, and just to make sure I do, which I do, you're gonna test your key. Nothing shows up on the dash. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm not seeing anything on the dash. Radio, nothing, just, yeah. So once you have that removed, you're going to, there's two holes behind your steering wheel, right here, here, and one is totally opposite of it, which is on the other side. So what you're gonna do is turn your wheel 90 degrees, and if it's more convenient for you, I would pull out my steering wheel. So like my steering wheel before I did it was here. I'm gonna pull it out. I apologize for the video cut. Apparently I didn't have enough storage. So back to what I was saying. What you're going to want to do is pull out the steering wheel and push it down. This will be more convenient for you. You lock it back in the so it doesn't move, and so once you apply pressure, it won't be dancing around, you know. Okay, so then you take your T30 Torx, which is this right here. I'm sorry, I have makeshift made a tool that it's going to work. I have faith in myself. So you take that tool and you put it in the put it in the hole. Let me see here. I'm trying to, it's very tricky because the angle of it is not how the hole is. So you have to kind of find the angle. Bear with me. This is like my first time ever doing it in this car. Hold on. There we go. All right. Ha. I am getting somewhere. All right. So once you have it, you want to loosen it. Okay, so once you have the airbag screws removed, what you're going to want to do is turn your wheel back straight, and then don't just yank the wheel out, but you're gonna want to take the wheel. I'll push my seat back so I can get it out and I can see. Okay, so there is, you see this? You're going to want to take a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and you're going to want to basically kind of take out that clip. Here we go. There we go. And your airbag is out. Okay. All right. So now that your airbag is out, you're going to want to disconnect this yellow piece, because this yellow piece is coming off with the steering wheel and it is coming off of the spindle. So once you have that taken off, then you're going to want to get your M12 bolt, and you're going to want to get it in. I'm going to see how I can set you down so you can see. Now, let me put you back here. This is where the elbow grease that I said is a recommended tool that you need. Oh, I forgot to grab an extension. BRB. Okay, so once you have your extension And your ratchet, I got a ratchet that extends. You're gonna want to take your key out because you want your wheel to lock. And I think I want it to lock right there. All right, so you're gonna need to put elbow grease in it. So once you get it loose, I feel as though you don't need to have such a overkill tool on it. So once you get it loose, I recommend to turn your key back straight because you want to know where you're taking your wheel off. So turn your key back on. Now, if I were you, I would mark. That's your M12. But if I were you, I would mark where you're taking it off from, just in case, like in my case, I will be putting this wheel back on and taking it off one more time before I'm done. But you want to mark here. I'm gonna get a marker and show you. All right, y'all, I'm back. So like I said, you're gonna want to mark. I don't know if you can see that. You see this tick right here? That tells you where your wheel goes on, because this particular spline has, it's like little teeth, and you don't want it to be off by a tooth when you're putting your wheel back on. That's also why you make sure your wheel is straight so that you know where it is, or else when you put the wheel back on, you put any wheel back on, you know, you'll be driving like this, like your wheel is turned sideways, but you're driving in a straight line, or vice versa, you know. But once you mark that, you're good to go. Let me put you back to the haha. Okay, so once you get that off, you can now take your wheel off, and your clock spring is locked. You see that, right? Okay, so your clock spring is locked, so you don't have to worry about it being like some wheels or in some cars it pops out when you take your wheel out. You don't have to worry about that with this. Hopefully that's not the case with your vehicle if you don't have the same vehicle as I do. All right, so now you have the NRG wheel hub adapter that they give you, and you just pop it in like, hold on, like so. Sorry, I'm trying to get it on the actual lock or the clock spring. Hold on. All right, so I got the hub on, and now it's time to install the quick release. So you just line up your bolts and you just put them in. And once the quick release hub is attached, you just hold up. Oh, my bad. I'm totally doing this wrong. All right, maybe I gotta put the phone down. Oh Lord. There we go. And there you go. There you have it, guys. This is the NRG quick release. Well, this is the quick release. I forgot to mention that in the beginning. This is the hub. This black piece is the hub. This is the quick release. This is the, well, this purple part goes with the quick release. And of course, this is the steering wheel. So it was a pretty short video for you guys. Just wanted to show you guys how to install that. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said in the beginning, I'm trying to get up in subscribers. Right now I have 20. We'll see how many I get after this video. So, just keep doing what you guys are doing. And I'm going to keep bringing you guys authentic, real, myself type content. A lot of people told me to do certain things with my page, but I'm gonna just keep it 100, keep it myself. And if you don't like that, well, this page wasn't meant for you. It was meant for the people that like me, like my authentic self. So yeah, that's gonna end this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.